Hi, this is a screencast for Home Genius exteriors showing how um, you can improve your website to beat your competition online. So, first of all, the website loads fast, which is good. And it's great that there's a specific location page for every location. However, you definitely want it to be SSL secure to decrease the chances of hacking and just increase the security of the site in general. What I have noticed is that the location pages themselves are not being ranked. So, for example, if we look at Silver Spring, uh, we see that there's no backlinks or referring domains. It is written for keywords, which is great, but we see that because the location pages themselves are not being ranked, you're not getting any traffic. So organic traffic is zero. If we look at a competitor's site, for example, so if we take a look at the keywords, it's position 25, 24, 26. None of this is on the first page, and you definitely want to rank the location pages to be on the first page because 92% of all clicks are made on the first page. So like I said, if we take a look at a competitor for, say, roofing contractors, Silver Spring. So, for example, hfroofingcontractors.com. Uh, we see that they have 149 backlinks and 47 referring domains. So backlinks and referring domains are simply links that other websites make to that specific page. And because your location pages are not being ranked, it is not beating out the local competition in each of those areas. So, for example, in Silver Spring, for HF roofing contractors, they have 149 backlinks and 47 referring domains. So, what we would do is that we would match and exceed the number of backlinks and referring domains as well as the quality. So, it's not only the quantity that Google looks at, the quality of the referring domains is also important, as is the quality that will push up the domain rating. And the domain rating for this website is pretty low, so it should be easy to beat. But you see that they are ranking higher for this specific location, which is why they're getting 44 organic traffic per month rather than zero. Another factor is content. So you would want to have more content than the competition in each location. And the final factor is citations. And citations is simply when the business name, address, and phone number is mentioned in a local business directory. So in order to beat out your competition in each of your locations, you would need to beat the top competitor for each location that you serve, beat them out in terms of content, backlinks, and citations. So I hope all of this was really useful. Feel free to implement these strategies yourself, or let us know if you need any help doing so, and we would be more than happy to get your location pages ranking in each of the areas that you serve so that your company could be pulling in all that organic traffic and potential leads instead of your competitors. Thanks, and have a great day.